Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Broken by Lonelytheband. As this tutorial is being made, these ukulele play-alongs have been out for quite some time, but I never made the chord chart or tabs available, nor did I have a tutorial, so I'm going through the process of all the old songs and creating tutorials for those as well. In this video, I will, first of all, introduce the chords you need to play the song on GCEA ukulele in two keys, C and D, and then also in baritone. Then there's a picking part, so I'll do a tutorial for that as well for the key of C, key of D on GCEA ukulele as well as in baritone, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can always subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the Uke Play-Alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need to play Broken on GC ukulele in the key of C. First, I'll need the A minor chord. Then I'll need the F chord. Then I'll need the C chord, the G chord, the D minor chord, and then the E minor chord. And in this case, I play E minor with the 4-string open. If you were to play it on a low G or linear tuned ukulele, you might want to change it to a 4-finger chord as well. Now let's take a look at Broken in the key of D. In the key of D, you'll need a B minor chord, which is a bar chord. First finger covers all 4 strings right above the middle 2nd fret. You pull against the fretboard like this with all 4 strings. Then you add your thumb for some light support. And then you reach over and play the 4-string 4th fret. That's the B minor chord. Then you'll need the G chord, the D chord, the A chord, the E minor chord. Now I am playing the E minor chord with an open 4-string. If you were playing on a linear or low G GC ukulele, you might want to change this to be a 4-finger string, just sounds better. And then finally an F sharp minor chord, which is just like the G7, except it's built on the 3rd string instead of the 2nd string. So 3-finger chord, just like the G7, the F sharp minor. Now let's talk about Broken on baritone DGBE ukulele. First, you'll need the B minor chord, then a G chord, a D chord, an A chord, an E minor chord, then an F sharp minor. Take the 1st finger, cover all 4 strings right above the middle 2nd fret, pull against the fretboard. That'll give you most of your sound. So you're pulling this way, not pinching. Then add your thumb for some light support and put your ring finger on the 4-string 4th fret. And that is Broken on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's take a look at the picking part or the little melody part on the instruments as well. In the key of C, we'll be using the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. I generally just pick with my thumb, although you could assign the thumb to string 3, the 1st finger to string 2, and the middle finger to string 1. Whatever you want to do, but I just generally use my thumb here. So we're going to start with the 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string open, repeat the 1st string, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string open. And I would practice it slower at first, going something like this. And then I'd speed it up. Even faster. And then you're almost full speed. Now let's take a look at it in the key of D. In the key of D, you're only going to be using the 2nd and 1st strings. And just like in the key of C, I would only play with my thumb. However, you can assign the 1st finger to the 2nd string and the middle finger to the 1st string if that works for you. I generally just play these with my thumb. So 2nd string, 2nd fret, 1st string open, first string 2nd fret, first string 5th fret with the pinky, then back to the 2nd fret, repeat that, first string open, 2nd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 2nd string 2nd fret, first string open, first string 2nd fret, first string 5th fret, first string 2nd fret. And then start slow and just get faster. Even faster, go. Even faster, go. We're almost there. Ready and go. And it's just repeating, and if you get a thud for a second, that's okay. You just keep practicing it. It will get better each and every time. Now let's take a look at this melody part on baritone as well. Now on baritone, we're going to be working higher on the 2nd and 1st strings. I would generally pick my strings with my thumb, although you can assign the 1st finger to the 2nd string and the middle finger to the 1st string, whatever works for you. And you can either plant or not plant, whatever you want to do. I usually am supporting my picking hand with my thumb as I'm working, and you'll see that in my videos. But we're going to start with the 2nd string 7th fret. There's usually a dot on the side of your ukulele where that 7th and 5th frets are. If it's a kamaka, you'll only have one dot on the side, and that will be the 7th fret. So you want to start at the 2nd string 7th fret, 1st string 5th fret, 1st string 7th fret, up to the pinky on the 1st string 10th fret, back down to the 7th fret, repeat the 7th fret, down to the 5th fret, 2nd string 7th fret, 2nd string 5th fret, 2nd string 7th fret, 1st string 5th fret, I would slide up, 1st string 7th fret, 1st string 10th fret, 1st string 7th fret. And then it's just going to be practicing getting this. You could start slow, very slow. And just work faster. And if you mess up, just go back and practice some more. But that's that little melody line of broken on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, first of all, reminder, there was no ukulele used in the original version of the song, so therefore there is not one single right answer. The number one question that I get on all the videos, and I actually delete the question most of the time because I've answered it sort of in that community area on the channel, which is, what's a strumming pattern? Most of the time there isn't one strumming pattern. There are some rules when it comes to strumming, and here's what they are. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And number third, make sure that whatever you are strumming, the strumming style, matches the style of the music. If those three things are good, you're good. You're making a cover. Occasionally I'll also get the comment that there's no ukulele in the original version, so how is this an ukulele play along? Well, the point is you're playing along with your ukulele with a real song. That's the goal here. It's not a ukulele cover by any means. If it was, it'd be called an ukulele cover. So let's get into this song. I'm going to give you a very basic pattern. Now, it's not a beginner pattern. So if you're just a beginner, just follow those three rules. Right chord at the right time, correct tempo, and a style that matches, you're good to go. You could play just down strums. But in this case, I'm going to introduce you to the island strum. And that's going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if you notice, my hand never stops moving. So if I'm trying to go, it's going to sound weird. Your hand has to keep going and you have to miss strings. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That's going to be the pattern that's going to work, I think, for the whole song. It's an island strum. This doesn't sound like an island song, but it works. So here's what it would sound like. unless you're going to do the picking of the melody part. And realistically, with that strum, that'll get you through the whole song along with the picking and the chords that have already been in this video. Hey, thank you so much for joining for this tutorial to Broken. If you like my style of teaching, please come over to the UkeStuff channel on YouTube and check out many of my other resources there where I teach chord melody and other things along the way. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.